I keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump, yeah.
What it do, YouTube? I'm back with another video. It's Ty, also known as Glam by Ty, and today I got this nice ass wig by VictoriasWig that I can't wait to share with you guys. If I could ever get this damn box open, I'll be able to show y'all what the fuck is inside. Oh, there we go. All right, so let's start with the box and the packaging and everything like that. It was super sweet. I love their packaging. It's really nice. So y'all know that I am a sucker for gifts, so thank you so much, VictoriasWig. I'll show you guys what's in this little baggie now. They gave me a rat tail comb, which y'all know every girl that wear wigs, braids, sew-ins, whatever, a rat tail comb is our best friend. You stick that thing up in your scalp and just start itching, sis. That shit works wonders, okay? So now that that's over with, the rest of the bag they gave me, I love these bands. So it's basically like a scarf or a headscarf, whatever. But that one has, it says their logo and has their name. And they were also kind enough to give me a brush, an edge brush with a comb at the end, which is much needed. So thank you. They gave me, this is kind of like a spatula almost, I guess, to spread your adhesive, whatever you use to wear your wigs. And they gave me some tweezers, which you could use them, you feel me? Everybody needs tweezers when you work with some wigs. And they were kind enough to give me a little brush. So this brush I assume was for makeup or your adhesive, whatever you use to put your wigs on. Okay, so they were also kind enough to give me 2 wig caps, which is really 4 because it comes 2 in a pack. Y'all know I need my wig caps, okay? Because I'm always cutting them for the bald method. So let's get into this wig, sis. I love their packaging. I think their little things on the side are so cute. Like, y'all really did y'all thing with this packaging. So when you open up the bag, you get some nice adjustable straps. I love these adjustable straps because they look like the bra straps. And I feel like those work the best. I don't know. I like them personally the best. Okay, so now personally, what we've all been waiting for, the wig. Now this is the loose deep wave. Okay? So this comes with a good amount of parting space. Like, look at that parting space. It comes pre-plucked and the knots are lightly bleached. Even though I'm going to go ahead and bleach them a little bit more because I needed to match my skin color. It doesn't really match my skin right now, as y'all can see. So we are going to have to do some customization with that. But it comes with 4 combs. No, 3 combs. Sorry, 3 combs. No, 4. I'm lying. Oh my gosh. 4 combs and the adjustable straps. So now when some people see this, they get a little nervous. This is bleach hair lightener, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to use the BW2 and the 40 volume developer. I just wanted to show you guys really quick what the hairline was looking like and everything before I went on ahead and bleached the knots on this. It's super thick. Like, the hairline is super thick. Even though it's pre-plucked and all that, it's still pretty thick. At least too thick for me. So I'm going to have to go in there and start working. Okay, so to prep my bleach, I'm using a light bowl. And I'm going to take my BW2 bleach or lightener, whatever you want to call. And it comes with this little scoop, which I think is great because I'm going to definitely be using that. Now, I did a half a scoop, but like almost that whole. And then I took a little bit more. You do not need a lot of bleach when bleaching your knots. I realized that because I've wasted so much bleach on just bleaching one wig. You know what I'm saying? So measure as much as you need, okay? So now this is where the real magic happens. Once you start adding in your developer, I'm taking a little hairbrush and I'm mixing all of that in. That shit stank. Like, if you know bleach is very strong, has a very strong odor, and it stinks so bad. Like, ugh. But whatever. Just make sure you got some ventilation in your room, whatever, because you definitely gonna need it. Now, this is my job. I'm gonna mix until I get the consistency of like shaving cream almost. I like to, relate it to like shaving cream. It's pretty thick. It's not runny at all. It's super thick. Okay, so now it's time to put the bleach on the knots. I flipped the wig inside out and I put it on a mannequin head, and this is what it looks like. I leave it on there for probably like 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm back, y'all. Look at the sun just glisten on the bitch and shit. Okay, so now for the real moment of truth, this is what the wig looks like. I went on ahead and plucked it, and I bleached the knots as y'all seen, and this is what she looks like. She looks so bomb. Like, I literally plucked her to perfection. I did not take as much off as I usually do, which was like kind of weird for me. I kind of felt a little uncomfortable, but I'm like, all right, I'm gonna still make it work. But look at this lace. It is literally like scalp. Say it with me, scalp. Okay, I did go on ahead and put a little bit of makeup on the inside, but not too much, because I bleached the knots literally to perfection. Adjusted the wig to how I wanted on my head, and now for the real, sis, the initial put on. Ooh, look at her. Look at her. She wait for it. Ow, bitch. That's scalpiana. Bitch, scalpiana, period. Nah, son. Look at that shit. It's scalp. This could be my head. Like, this could just be coming out of my scalp, and you would never know. Okay? I'm just super proud of how this wig turned out. I want to say thank you to VictoriasWig, because your lace was super easy to work with. You have very soft lace, so it was super easy to pluck. And I'm just so happy of how the outcome came. Like, do y'all see that? Okay, talk to me nicely. So off camera, I'm gonna go on ahead and cut the lace off, and I'll be right back. So boom, we got our lace cut. We got everything laid down, and I just wanted to show y'all before I glue it on. I just wanted to show you guys what the lace looked like on my skin. Like, what lace? What? Where? I mean, I see it, but where? This shit is so nice. Like, it blends in perfectly. Like, I'm super proud. So to put on the wig, y'all know that I'm going to use the Got To Be Free spray that I usually use. And I'm using the back end of that comb just to have better direction of where I want it to lay. Y'all see me do this? It's a quick one too. Bitch, when the wig is actually on, look how good it looks. Like, oh my god, thank you, VictoriasWig. I just can't thank them enough, because they have some really tiny holes as for lace, and this is a Swiss lace, so they have some bomb ass wigs. Okay, go check them out. Like I said, VictoriasWig, go get into it, sis. What y'all see me doing here is I'm just taking some Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm just gonna go on ahead and secure the end of my wig, I guess you can say. I'm just blending it in with a little bit of spots. It's not needed. This is like, you know, optional. It's up to you guys depending on what your wig looks like once you put it on. Me, I just like everything to be seamless and to blend in perfectly, so this step was recommended for me. So now what you guys see me doing is I'm pulling some hair out to lay my baby hairs. This is what's going to be my baby hairs. I'm not taking a lot out. I wanted some really like nice natural baby hairs just for this install, because I feel like it did not need baby hairs. I could have just worn it, you know how it is, but I wanted to be extra and give it a little flavor and add some baby hairs. So this is what you guys are seeing me do now. Okay, so once I get my baby hairs out, I'm going to use my scissors to cut them. Like I said, they're not very thick, not very dramatic. I just want some nice, natural, light baby hairs. That's all. Okay, so if you guys seen in my previous video, I used the Lotta Body's wrapping foam lotion, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to spray some of that on the back of my hand. Now, in my last video, I sprayed it directly on the lace. And eventually, you know, my lace did act like it wanted to come up a little bit. Even though I did go ahead and take the extra step to wrap it with the scarf, it still came up. So this time, I'm placing it directly on the hair, like just the hair, not the lace, just the little part that's going to be my baby hair. And I'm using that and my comb from the edge brush just to swoop me some nice natural baby hairs. So I'm doing the same thing to my sides or the sideburns, whatever you want to call them. I'm doing the same thing, cutting a little piece. I'm taking some foam lotion, some wrapping foam, and I'm spritzing it on the back of my hand. Then I'm going to take my brush, dip that in there, and swoop that side into how I want it to be. Now this step is not needed. I really didn't have to do it, but I'm just so extra. So I'm gonna do a little swoop of baby hair in the middle. You don't have to. Y'all could have just rocked out with no baby hairs, a little bit of baby hairs. It's all up to you. Dramatic baby hairs. However you want to do your baby hairs. Now you're gonna have to practice. I'm gonna tell you that now. Baby hairs are not easy. Like, you really gotta finesse them. You really gotta keep practicing them. They're not gonna come out perfect every time. I'm gonna tell you that right now. So I'm doing the same thing. I took out a little piece, cut it, used some wrapping lotion, and I'm placing it only on the hair. It's not on the lace, it's only on the hair. So here I'm just trying to figure out which side that I want to swoop my baby hairs on. And that side works, sis. That side one. So here I'm just taking the scarf band that Victoria's Wig gave me, and I'm going to use that to tie my wig, my baby hairs, tie everything down. And I'm going to sit with that probably for like 20 minutes to half an hour. I mean, I ain't had nothing to do today. I was just rocking out. So you can sit with it for however long as you want. Dun, 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 dun. The big reveal, sis. Look at that. Look at that. My baby hairs are not too dramatic. Everything falls into place. The lace looks like it's mine. It's super nice, super thin. I'm loving this wig. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the end result. I am in my bag and my Birkin. I'm loving this wig. Make sure that you check out my other videos for more hair tutorials. This is my guy, baby Jordan, and we is out. We just wanted to say bye-bye. Mwah. Bill kiss Jordy. Mwah.